we have a new Hoover. It's from John Lewis. It's 1.5 litre vacuum cleaner. It's got an A rating, 700 watt energy efficient motor, HEPA media filter resources, and retractable cord for tidy storage. Excuse the mess in the spare room. So I've taken it out of the box already, and I only really thought to do a review sort of when I'd started hoovering. It was really easy to assemble. It was just literally click together and done. And then I'll just take you through to the room that I've been hoovering. There's the Hoover on the floor. So here's a bit that I haven't done yet, just down here on this side and all around here. So I'm just going to hoover a little bit for you and show you the end result. And this is just so there we go. That was just one-handed. A quick blitz over, so you can see it hasn't quite picked up everything. There are still a few bits, but it is a nice lightweight Hoover, and it was easy to use and easy to operate. So maybe it just needs a little bit more going over, or maybe we'll just have to use a different brush attachment or something just to get those bits.